Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I wanted to show you what I found. This is the new Act 2 popcorn and it's hot and spicy. Comes with 6 bags in the box. So we're going to go ahead and put this in the microwave and we're going to give it a try. Okay guys, I have my popcorn in the microwave, so we're going to go ahead and let it pop. Okay guys, it's done, so we're going to go ahead and pour it into a bowl. Okay guys, so as you can see, this looks really spicy. It smells spicy. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. Okay guys, this is really good. I say that because I like hot and spicy food. So if you're a hot and spicy food lover, you'll like these. So I give it a thumbs up. But you will need a large glass of water or soda to go along with this. It's really spicy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.